What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What is life? No man can tell. What is life? Life is to see. It's a beautiful day, guys. Nice day outside, and you don't know. Me out here go and find a little place if you have a little chat to do, no? Find a little spot right in a little cool shade. So we go sit and have a chat. Yeah man, guys, it's too tall. So, you know, say, I saw it go. Now guys, you know what we really want to talk to you about is I want to talk about some guys, I don't really want to call nobody name. I don't really want to call nobody name, but I want to say something about something I see go on. And this is, me really want to talk to the content creator them. Because as a content creator, me here and make this kind of talk. And me think a full time now, uno cut it out. Not me, because I not threaten nobody. But me believe, to myself, that we as content creators shouldn't out there threaten other content creators. Yeah man, me think if we stop it. Me think if we stop, me I put myself in it too. Me think if we stop threatening content creators. Cause me hear a content creator, me not call nobody name. You must know who he is. Me hear a content creator, I say to another content creator, say you must tell your people them. Meaning you must tell your subscribers them fi stop come over for him page and say things to him and do things. Because if you not tell them fi stop, you go do something. Now, guys, let me say this. Content creator, let me say this. Me, you, him, she, her, whatsoever cannot stop a subscriber, a viewer from come on your page and make a comment. Stop it, man. Stop the stupidness, man. You cannot stop a subscribers or a viewer if you come on your page come make a comment. My view, listen, the people who love me and love my channel can come over your channel and say something if you say something about me that they don't like. All you have to do is either answer or ignore them. But if you send me make a whole video telling me that I should talk to my people because if you not talk to your people, when me I go do, what kind of stupidness is that? Why? And I go use something out of the word, you know. I go use something so you know exactly what me I talk about. Me I talk about, I know me want to say the word. Me want to say it, you know. Me I go say it, you know. Me I go say it. Who me I talk about? Me I talk about B1 and Knife Ninja. B1 make a video saying that Knife Ninja people them are come in a theme comment section and I talk to him and I tell him this and I this and I that. And him be one I tell Knife Ninja say if you talk to your people them or else him be one I go mash up the Amazon watch list. Now guys, let me say this to each and every one of you. And this is not a video about Knife Ninja, because Knife Ninja can't come good in my section. None at all. Knife Ninja is a fa-funky fool. Him not have no sense. Him need understanding. Him need it. Yeah. Him need understanding. Him not have no understanding. Him not ready yet. However, when me see the video, because I watch B1, you know. I watch B1 a lot. Yeah, man, because as bad as things is, I mean, I go say this, me not sure still, because me never see. I go be honest with each and every one of you. B1 is a brother of Rum Ram and a brother of J Progress. And I have never hear, and me and them two man there have a little thing, you know, we little back and forth thing. Mark, we don't have nothing personal because me not take nothing personal. No, me not do that. Me not take nothing personal. Me throw my things out there pan you and hit you hard. But personal, no, me not take nothing personal because it don't make no sense. But me and I never hear B1 come out and say anything about me. I never hear him. If him do it, I never hear him. So I don't have no reason to talk bad at B1. And right now, I not talk bad at B1. The only thing me I try to say is the threat. We have to take time and cut out the threat because we all up against, we don't really like where Knife Ninja do. However, we cannot use the people that is commenting in under our videos to threaten him because of what they are saying. We see the same thing happen with Daddy Gargan and Collar Smith. Daddy Gargan said Collar Smith supposed to tell his subscriber themselves to leave him alone. Collar Smith can't do that. Collar Smith cannot tell his subscriber if he left Daddy Gargan alone. If you are say Collar Smith must come out and make a video say, well, I would like you guys to, what, for what reason? No, that's not his job. Because guess what happened? Colors cannot tell none of his subscribers what not to do and what to do. Same so, Knife Ninja cannot tell any of the subscribers them with him have what not to do and what to do. And we have to be honest. We have to be honest and we have to take the bean out of our eye before we try to take it out of somebody else. There's no way you as a content creator will be able to tell a subscriber or a viewer not to go over that person's channel, go say nothing. Worse, like what I go on now, because guess what? Me make bad video, B1 make bad video, J Progress make bad video, everybody make bad video about Knife Ninja. So the people who love Knife Ninja and who is supporting Knife Ninja, they're going to continuously come over your page, my page, and everybody's page who don't like Knife Ninja and say things that they go say things that we don't even like. Should I make a video telling Knife Ninja to tell his people? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to deal with the people who is sending me the message. A lady send me a message and tell me how me bad mind and me grudgeful and me jealous of Knife Ninja. And I send her back a message and I said, am I jealous of being an idiot? Am I jealous of a man who is jealous of another man? Am I jealous of him cannot be able to pay his rent? Am I jealous of him going down on his knee begging a man money to pay his rent, where him is a married man, live with kids and all them things? Am I jealous of that? I didn't get no reply. So that's what I'm saying. You have to use your own words to kick back at these people. Making a video threatening a person is just, I don't think it's right. I personally don't think the threatening that I see is going around, the threatening that I see is happening, the threatening that I see is taking its little time, sneaking in where people is sending threat to people. A guy send me a threat and tell me, say, if you see me, I go bust one in my head. I saw him say, yeah man, me not call him name. You know must know who. Him say if he see me, I go bust one in my head. But I would say something, but I won't even say it. Because they're in life, your surrounding that you live in, you have no idea who is there. So that's why I don't threaten people, and that's why I don't get involved in entanglement with people. Because you don't know who is who and who is where and who is where. So what I'm simply saying to the guys them out there, to the man and the woman them out there, you no feel say full time now, you stop. You no feel say full time now the whole thing stop. You no feel say full time now, you just let it go. You no feel say full time, you no feel say gone too far now where people are threatening people to do them things, to stop food, to take food off their table and all those things. You all don't feel it's full time now, those things stop? I think so. You may not think so, but I think it's full time now. We at least sit down and try to at least show some form of respect, some form of, because I make a video the other day. Up. I make a video the other day, guys, and when I make the video, I said in the video, simple, that I think, I believe, that's what I said. I said, I think and I believe Colors must feel bad that he went unalive. That's what I said. I said, I think. Not Colors say, or Colors do, or Colors think. I said, I think. I did not say anything else. I use my own word out of my mouth. And I tell you the truth, I get a comment, a lady comment in my comment section telling me about Colors didn't think like that. Colors don't think like that. I mean, I said, but you know, see me there in trial here. This lady don't even hear what I said. This lady didn't even think about what I said. I said, I think. I did not say Colors think. I said, I think Colors must feel away. I think that. Not Colors say him feel away. No, Colors never tell me that. He didn't say that, but that's just how people pick up what people pick up out of what you say, because people is going to pick up something different from what you say out of what you say. Guys, I tell you the truth. The world that we live in is a very nice world, and it's a very nice area that we live in. And to be honest with you, the YouTube street is very nice and I like it. I really love the YouTube street. I love to be able to talk with people. I love to be able to make the videos so that means you guys can see and hear what going on out in the world. I like that. But the threatening of people, just not nice, because guess what happened? We are now going in a situation where some of us, after a while, if we continue with this, you go have people go feel like they cannot go there, because they have to be watching their head backs, you know. And I think that's where the wrongness come in to the social media, where if I feel like I want to go to an area, I cannot go to the area because I'm trying to fix this thing, guys. You know, the thing is, if I am living, like let's say I'm here and I want to fly to New York, I go feel like I'm afraid to go to New York because that content creator who I make video about is living in New York. So I am afraid of going to New York. That's why, guys, when I fly to Florida, when I was making all them videos about Mackie, and I fly to Florida 3 times. while making videos about Mackie. Because guess what happened? I don't fear no one. I don't have that fear of people because you don't know the place, the time, the hour, and when you're going to leave this earth. So I live my life a certain way because I always try to live it where I believe that I go see tomorrow. I don't know if I go see tomorrow. I believe I go see tomorrow because I don't know anything about tomorrow because it's not there yet. I know about yesterday. Yesterday I was at the farmer's market. That's what I know about. But the guys, to be honest with you, the threats and all these things that content creators is threatening others need to stop. Yeah, all these threats need to stop. And I hope and pray that B1 see this video and at least realize say me not really chastise him. The only thing me I say is you can't tell subscribers what to do and you cannot beef with a content creator because of what the subscribers are doing and saying. I don't believe that should be the content creator problem. I don't believe that the content creator should be getting the beaten because of what the subscribers say. I just don't believe that at all. I see Colors get beaten because of what subscribers say, because of what his people who follow him say. And I just don't think you should beat him because of him or her because of what the people that love them say. I just think you have to tackle those people. Tackle those people because I go tell you something. If my subscribers come to your channel and tell you something bad about yourself, and I see it, I go laugh. I not go tell that subscribers not to say nothing. I not go do that. Because that's how that subscriber feel towards you and what you're saying about me. So you think I go tell that subscribers to not comment under your comment section? And as a matter of fact, remember, the more comment you get is the better off for your video. So what you should do is go under that person comment and say something. Keep that person writing. Keep that person active. Keep that person commenting. More comment is your video is getting. That's why I tell, let me say this to you, see? That's why I tell a lot of you out there who is a content creators. A lot of you don't even understand the whole thing of a content. Like right now, let me say this. Right now, if you notice, I don't make no more videos after Knife Ninja from the other day. Because guess what? The more video you're making about Knife Ninja, if Knife Ninja ever use Yasso and Smart, Knife Ninja would be climbing the ladder. Because the more you make about, the more you talk about Knife Ninja, is the more the algorithm pick up the name Knife Ninja. See, this is the thing that many of people don't really understand. The more you talk about a person, is the more the algorithm go take that person's name up and climb and will not stop climbing. And I want many of you to know that. So that's why sometimes I'll talk about a person for a while and then I stop. And when I stop, I stop. I not go back on it and beat it till it dead. No, I not go do that because at the end of the day, that person not even talking about me to push me up in the algorithm. You see what I say? And that's why most of us cannot really be making a lot of money because we are stagnant. We are stagnant. So guys, I'm not here trying to beat down nobody. I'm not trying to tell nobody what to do. I won't do that. I'm not trying to tell anyone how to make their channel, how to run their channel. I'm just saying that the threat is just getting out of hand, you know. And to me is, if you see a person, because to me, all Knife Ninja is doing is begging. It's working for him. The other day, let me say this to every one of you. The other day, I make a video talking about the wish list, the Amazon wish list that you have. And a person said to me, Rodney, why you don't have an Amazon wish list? Everybody else have one. And I says, I am too shy and shameful to have an Amazon wish list. Because me afraid people go say something about it. Just like how me talk about him and the Amazon wish list. And you know what that lady said to me? That lady said, Rodney, stop listening to people. Stop listening to people. There is people out here that would like to support you. It's support. And that was the time I look back. Let me say this, That was the time I look back within myself. And I say, That's a well good statement that person said. It's not like it's begging. It's that people want to support you. So if people want to support you, put the wish list out there so people can support you. If people want to buy you a ring light, or if people want to buy you a camera, or if people want to buy you this, people will buy you. And I was like, I don't understand what they are saying. So, did I make a wish list? No. Am I going to make one? Me no know. I may not. Because guys, me kinda like when people tell me things about what they give me. I like if people give me something, that's it. You give me and you give me from your heart. And once you give me from your heart, I feel nice about that, So, again, guys, we have to do better. We have to cut out these things. And we can make videos about anybody, anytime. But threats, make us say we can cut out the threats. See? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, me I go cut it, so because guys, me have so much video for edit when me not edit up till now. Yeah, man. So, the garden are nice, guys. Yeah, man, the garden are nice. Me like it. It's just a nice year of my life. You come make videos, and it's just nice. Me like how it look, and it's a beautiful place. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, and you have some ladies that come every Wednesday morning. Yeah, they have some ladies that come every Wednesday morning and clean it up. And guys, suppose me tell you, say, them ladies will come every morning and clean it up. Them not get paid, Yeah, them not get paid, them just clean it up because them like it, But it's a nice park. I like to come here, and then when you come here early in the morning, I try to catch a early morning like about 5 a.m. in the morning, where we can catch the birds them. But so far, when we catch the birds them, the cars them a drive all about the place, so that means we can't really get that weather when we really like the sound them. When we really want, we can't get that sound when we really want, So again, guys, it's just a fun day, Sunday. So again, I'm out. Yeah, man, I'm out. Have a good time. Me there, y'all. Mama and Papa.